You see, when you got a kids, you see that? You see? Always on your side, no matter what. You put something on your mouth and they take it. What you did with my kiwi?
Devoured it.
The kiwi that I was trying to eat so I could sleep. Where did it go?
In my tummy.
And why you not sleep? It's supposed to help you sleep.
I guess it just doesn't work on hyperactive kids.
I love you, baby.
Love you too.
So much. You happy about the Eid tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
I'm happy for that Eid money.
You happy for that Eid money?
Yeah.
Mwah. Love you so much.
Love you too.
Love you so much. Cutie, cutie, little poopy, poopy, poopy. Mwah.
You're beautiful.
Thank you, boo, 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 boo. Mwah. This is my baby, guys. My life. Mwah.
You're my happiness.
You're my happiness too, boo, boo.
You always my first priority.
Oh, love you.
Love you too.
Good night.
Good night.
Mwah. Sweet dreams, okay?